everyone, good morning. This is me Avishka and the bulletin today starts with Realme unveils world's first cold color changing smartphone, the 14 Pro series. Samsung to unveil Ultra SIM Galaxy S25 Slim at Galaxy Unpacked. ChatGPT's task feature launches with glitches, elevates AI to digital assistant. We have Election Commission which issues advisory on AI use in political campaigning. AWS emerges strong in India's rupees 10,000 crore AI mission race. We have Apple Watch which saves life of car crash victim in Massachusetts. Hinge introduces AI-driven feedback tool for smarter dating prompts. Now, in the previous quiz, we asked you which Indian startup recently acquired the unicorn status, and the answer is Krutrim. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question: which AI is behind ChatGPT? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below and tune into tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you've nailed it. Stay tuned. Let's start with the first news. Realme has launched the innovative 14 Pro series, the first smartphones globally to change color when exposed to cold conditions. The back cover, crafted using natural microcrystal pearl shell powder in collaboration with Nordic Studio Valier designers, shifts from pearl white to marbled blue below 16 degrees Celsius, offering a glossy, silky effect. The device features a cooling system with graphite sheets to dissipate heat during extended gaming sessions. With a bezel-less, subtly curved display and an AI eye protection algorithm, the phone ensures users' comfort. Rated IP69, IP68 and IP66 for dust and water resistance, the 14 Pro series can function under 48 hours underwater. The smartphones also boost Corning Gorilla Glass 7i and Armor Shell for enhanced durability. With 6000 mAh battery, they charge 50% in just 24 minutes, enabling 10 hours of gaming or 17 hours of video playback. Photography enthusiasts can enjoy Sony OIS cameras with 50MP resolution 4K video support and a 32MP front camera. Available with up to 12GB RAM, 256GB storage, and Realme 14 Pro series sets a new benchmark in smartphone innovation. Then we have Samsung, which is set to reveal its highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Slim at the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. Touted as the slimmest smartphone in the Samsung's history, the S25 Slim measures just 6.4mm thick excluding the camera module. Despite its ultra-thin profile, it boasts a spacious 6.7 to 6.8-inch display and premium features like a metal frame, glass back, and triple rear cameras. The device integrates a larger battery and cutting-edge internals while maintaining a sleek design. Its dimensions make it significantly thinner than the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is 8.2mm thick. The S25 Slim adheres to the S25 series aesthetic with ultra-thin bezels and a flat display. Rumored to include a USB-C port and advanced camera technology, the smartphone is expected to hit shelves later this year. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Slim exemplifies innovations in form and function, solidifying the company's position as a leader in smartphone design. Now we have OpenAI, which has introduced the task feature for ChatGPT, enabling users to schedule reminders and set recurring tasks. Available for paid plans, ChatGPT Plus, Team and Pro, this feature aims to rival digital assistants like Siri and Alexa. Tasks let users set reminders, manage schedules, and receive personalized suggestions, enhancing ChatGPT's role as a proactive assistant. However, its beta launch faced severe issues, temporarily disrupting functionality. OpenAI swiftly resolved the problem and reassured users via social media. This feature simplifies scheduling through a drop-down menu and supports task creation via web and compatible platform. Now, tasks adapt to user behavior, offering tailored assistance such as reminder to log work hours or check event tickets. By integrating scheduling capabilities, OpenAI has taken a major step towards expanding ChatGPT's utility beyond a conversational AI, enhancing productivity for users across various domains. Despite internal hiccups, the rollout signifies a leap in AI-driven personal assistance, setting the stage for more advanced features in the future. Now, the Election Commission of India has issued an advisory urging political parties to maintain transparency in using AI during campaigns. Parties must label AI-generated or digitally enhanced content as AI-generated or synthetic content and include disclaimers in advertisements. Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar warned against deepfakes and misinformation, emphasizing their potential to undermining electoral trust. Now, this initiative follows prior guidelines promoting ethical social media use during elections. To boost voter awareness, ahead of the 2025 Delhi Assembly elections, over 3,000 auto rickshaws will carry educational messages encouraging voter participation across 70 constituencies. These efforts aim to enhance trust and accountability in electoral processes while encouraging citizens to exercise their voting rights. The advisory underscores the growing influence of AI in shaping political narratives and the importance of ethical practices to preserve democratic values. Then we have the competition for India's rupees 10,000 crore India AI mission intensifies as 4 Oracle service partners fail to clear technical evaluation, potentially jeopardizing Oracle's bid to provide AI compute capacity. In contrast, Amazon Web Services remains a strong contender with 7 service partners presenting before the Ministry of Electronics and IT. Microsoft Azure, represented solely by Iota Data Services, also vies for a role, while Google Cloud abstained from the mission. AWS participation strengthened its position in the Public-Private Partnership Initiative aimed at acquiring advanced AI chips for India. The outcome of the technical evaluations could significantly shape the mission's future, reflecting India's growing focus on AI development. RACE highlights the critical role of global cloud providers in advancing India's AI infrastructure and the competitive dynamics within the industry. Now, a 55-year-old man, Brent Hills from Massachusetts, credits his Apple Watch for saving his life after a car accident left him trapped in a swimming pool. On December 16, Hill blacked out while driving, causing his car to crash into a neighbor's garage and plunge into their pool. Regaining consciousness upside down in the car, Hill initially thought he was hearing a voice from his afterlife. It was in fact his Apple Watch which was detected the crash and contacted emergency services. The watch reassured him that help was on the way, keeping him calm until responders arrived and rescued him. Though he suffered minor injuries, Hill emphasized that the crash could have ended fatally without the watch's intervention. The feature allowed emergency teams to act swiftly even before neighbors called 911. The incident highlights the critical role of technology in life-saving scenario. Hill hopes this story inspires others to recognize the potential devices like smartwatches in emergencies, showcasing how innovation can make profound difference. Then we have dating app Hinge, which has unveiled an AI-powered feedback tool aimed at helping users craft thoughtful and engaging prompts. Powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT 4.0 mini model, the feature offers suggestions for enhancing responses, steering users away from cliches, and encouraging detailed answers. It provides varying levels of feedback from subtle refinements to more substantial revisions, ensuring prompts remain personal while benefiting from AI guidance. While users aren't required to act on the feedback, the feature cannot be disabled. This marks Hinge's first step into AI coaching, diverging from typical AI applications like matchmaking and security enhancement. The tool reflects the growing integration of AI in the online dating space, complementing Tinder's AI-powered photo selector. By blending technology with human creativity, Hinge aims to foster more meaningful connection between users. As the tool is available only to English-speaking users for now, it signifies the beginning of AI's transformative role in shaping the online dating experience, setting a precedent for future innovations in the industry. Now, this was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, make sure you stay tuned to IT Voice.